In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list, active versus static. By the end, you'll know exactly how to build a clean, organized list in HubSpot and when to choose an active list versus a static one. First, head into your HubSpot account and navigate to CRM, then Lists. This is your central place for organizing contacts and companies into targeted groups you can use across emails, workflows, reports, and more. When you're ready, click Create List in the top right to start a new one. You'll be asked to choose an object type. Pick contact-based if you want to group people, like newsletter subscribers or demo registrants. Choose company-based if you want to segment organizations, such as customers by industry or target accounts by region. Selecting the right object here ensures your filters look at the correct records and properties down the line. Next, set the details. Give your list a descriptive name that makes its purpose obvious at a glance. It helps to include the audience, the key criteria, and whether it's active or static, so you can recognize it later without opening it. Then choose the list type, active or static. An active list is dynamic. It updates automatically as records meet or stop meeting your filters, which is perfect for ongoing audiences like all contacts who filled out the pricing form this month. A static list is a snapshot in time. It captures whoever matches your criteria at the moment you create it, and it won't change afterward unless you manually modify members. That's useful for fixed cohorts like event attendees on a specific date. Now apply your filters. Click Add Filter on the left to define who belongs in the list. You can pull from categories such as contact properties, form submissions, or email interactions. For example, you might select a lifecycle stage from contact properties, a specific form completion under form submissions, or engagement like email opens and clicks from email interactions. For active lists, these filters permanently define membership and will keep your list up to date automatically. For static lists, the filters only provide the initial set of members at the time you build the list. When everything looks right, click Save List to begin processing the records. HubSpot will evaluate your filters and populate the list accordingly. Give it a moment to complete, especially if your database is large. That's it, you've created a precise, reusable list tailored to your marketing and sales needs, with the right type to match your ongoing or fixed audience.